So here's Eli. Let me see you, Eli. He's fixing to pull his very first tooth.
I can put my shirt on.
Well, my fist.
We're all in the bathroom together. No.
Hey, forgot me.
There's Ian.
You can't put this on Facebook.
I'm not going to put it anywhere. This is for us. You afraid somebody might see your boobs?
Yeah. Let me see it. Let me pull it out.
No, he can do it. Twist it around until it comes out.
Wait, do mine. Is it going?
Let's see.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Where's it at?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's coming out! Eli's very first tooth! Tooth fairy's gonna come tonight.
And I'm gonna be there. What?
You'll scare her away.
I'll scare the tooth.
It's fixing to fall out, buddy.
Let me get it.
Yeah.
No, not my good towel! No, not my good towel. Here, hold sis. She's eating the hairbrush. Alright, let me see.
Can I see?
Show it to me. Open your mouth.